Well, welcome to this Valuemed presentation for Access Diagnostics. I'm Dr. Mike Garside, Medical Director for the company, and we're going to show you the Cardiology dual head stethoscope that we've been selling on the website for, well, almost 20 years now, dealing with the same manufacturer, and we just want to emphasize the quality that this unit gives you at a really good price. We've worked with a manufacturer to basically give you the same auscultation quality as you like to get with one of the leading brand cardiologists, which probably sells for between 3 and 4 times what you're going to pay for this unit. Wide lumen tubes, nice heavy, this is a real heavy cast chest piece, full adult size, bell and diaphragm, both with anti-chill soft rings, rotating selector with a really nice clunky click when it locks into place to give you either your bell or diaphragm auscultation choice. Then the wide lumen tube makes its way up to the Y-shaped light alloy headset, nicely angled forward as you can see there, ideal construction and position for a comfortable fitting headset. Comes with two soft fit earpieces in place. You also in the spares pack get a spare replacement diaphragm and two medium, slightly smaller ear tips. These are just push fit, very easy to change over if you find that the standard size unit's too big. So this is the purple version. It's a lilac-y purple that we've currently got through on this die run. Comes in sometimes a darker purple. We will change the graphics so that it represents quite accurately what you're going to get delivered. Also in black, grey, red, burgundy, green. I think there's a yellow version of this in the dual head cardiology. We also, from the same supplier, have a single head tunable pressure cardiology stethoscope, which again gives you very, very good quality auscultation. So there you have it, the Valuemed range of cardiology full-size adult stethoscopes are available on the Valuemed website. Do have a browse through. We'll put a link in this video if you've found it on YouTube, and the product demo will be embedded into the product listing on the Valuemed website. Thanks for watching.